I got two new tires for my Kit Fox. Since they are wider than the old ones, I thought I could seat the beads by just airing them up with the compressor. One of them worked fine, but the other just wouldn't seat, so I decided to try the explosive starter fluid trick. I watched a few videos, then I called a friend who's an explosive expert. He suggested using a remote igniter just for safety. I have an old oil furnace igniter transformer. A piece of zip cord attached to this makes a nice arc at the cutoff end, which I taped to the tire a few inches from the bead. I used a piece of tape under the cord to prevent the arc from burning the tire. So here's the whole setup. I can trigger it from inside the shop, out of the direct line of fire. I made three mistakes. The first was a result of trying to seat the beads by the conventional compressor method. I had removed the valve core for maximum airflow and neglected to replace it. This first try partially seated the bead and would have worked, but the air came back out the valve stem too fast and the bead unseated before I could get air to it. The second mistake was not realizing how hot the valve stem got with all that hot gas flowing out of it. I burned my finger trying to stop the air from escaping. The third mistake was not realizing that after the first try, the oxygen had been depleted inside the tire. So the second try resulted in a tiny poof and a fire burning inside the tire. I pushed some fresh air into the tire and tried a third time. I still had not realized that I should have replaced the valve core, but this time I got the air hose to it in time and completed the bead seating. I finally remembered to replace the valve core.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Bang, 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 come on. Got it.
Oh, wow.